Hello Odooers, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. In Odoo already provide lock unlock options for purchase order, but using this our app you can also add lock unlock reason for purchase order. So let's see about it how to work it. You can see here our module Dev Purchase Lock Unlock Reason. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. Go to purchase. Go to any orders and see here this lock. Click on. Now add your reason. I'm not satisfaction for this order. Now click on this lock button. See here these options, click on, and you can easily see here added reason with lock status and date. Thank you.